Good morning students. I hope you are all well at home. In my earlier video, I told you about the sentence. A sentence is a group of words which makes a sense. It's called sentence. Now, today I will tell you the structure of the sentence. The structure of a sentence. Right? Ram plays. It is a sentence. Here is a Ram is a subject and plays is a verb. Right? It means the basic structure of a sentence is subject plus verb and object. Now, what is object? Ram plays football. Okay? Here, football. Ram is beating the ball. In this sentence, Ram is beating the ball. Here, Ram, in both sentences, Ram is subject. As we know, subject is compulsory. Plays and is beating is verb. And now, football is object and the boy. It is also an object. Object means the object of a sentence is a person or thing that receive a action from the verb. Like what Ram plays? Football. And whom Ram is beating? The boy. It is a very simple trick to get an object of a sentence. When we put what and whom in a sentence, whatever we get in an answer, that is our object. So, what and whom. We have to get our object. We have to put what and whom. Like this. Ram plays what? We get the answer football. Ram is beating whom? The boy. We get the answer here. Okay? And kinds of object होते हैं direct object and indirect object. He broke the glass. He broke the glass. What? What did he break? The glass. This is direct object. Direct object. Right? And here a teacher asked a question to the students. Right? To the students. In the first sentence, he broke the glass. What did we get in answer when we put what? The glass. That is direct object. In a second sentence, a teacher asked a question to the student. To whom? The teacher asked, a student. So, student is an indirect object. Indirect object. So now we get a structure of a sentence is subject plus verb plus object. Okay, what is the trick of getting object in a sentence? To put what and whom. Whatever we get the answer, that is our object. Right? Every time there जरूरी नहीं है कि बिल्कुल हर वक्त आपको ऑब्जेक्ट वहां पे मिल जाए. ऑब्जेक्ट इज नॉट मतलब अवेलेबल एट इन द सेंटेंस एवरी टाइम. It may be complement also. Like now I'm going to give you example. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. As I told you, structure of a sentence is I is subject, am is verb, and the teacher is, what is the teacher here in this sentence? Teacher is our complement. ये बिल्कुल जरूरी नहीं है कि what and whom put, what जब भी पुट करें हमें आंसर में ऑब्जेक्ट ही मिले. हमें वहां पे कॉम्प्लीमेंट भी मिल सकता है, बिकॉज कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज ऑल्सो स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अ सेंटेंस. सो हाउ वी गेट कॉम्प्लीमेंट इन अ सेंटेंस? ओके, व्हाट इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट? कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ अ सेंटेंस और इज अ ग्रुप, is a word and word group that is necessary to complete the sense of a sentence or an expression. Right? Like baby is cute. Here cute is complement. Okay? Now, what is the difference between object and complement? Difference between object and कॉम्प्लीमेंट. अब हम इसको सेंटेंस में फाइंड आउट कैसे करेंगे कि इसमें हमारा कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या है और ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है. राइट? क्योंकि अब मेन प्रॉब्लम तो ये हो जाएगी. आपको पता है, एज आई टोल्ड यू, व्हेन वी पुट व्हाट एंड हूम इन अ सेंटेंस वी गेट आवर ऑब्जेक्ट. बट हाउ डू वी गेट आवर कॉम्प्लीमेंट? क्योंकि अगर हम उसमें व्हाट लगाते हैं तब भी हमें कुछ आंसर में तो मिल रहा है ना. जस्ट लाइक आई एम अ टीचर. I am a teacher. If we are putting there what, we are getting answer teacher, but that is not our object. That is our complement. Now, what is the basic difference between object and complement? See. Ram is a boy. In first sentence, Ram is equivalent to ball. In a second sentence, Ram is not equivalent to the ball. Because in the first sentence, ball is a quality of Ram. It is a quality of Ram. But in the second sentence, Ram is not a quality of the boy. Because if we are putting here whom, we get the answer, the boy. Means here is indirect object. It means कैसे हम फाइंड आउट करते हैं? अगर हम सेंटेंस में देखते हैं कि हमारा सब्जेक्ट का मतलब सब्जेक्ट की क्वालिटी क्या है, अगर वो ऑब्जेक्ट हमें क्वालिटी के रूप में दिख रही होती है, इट मीन्स दैट इज आवर कॉम्प्लीमेंट. लाइक आई एम अ टीचर. इट मीन्स here I is equivalent to teacher. Means teacher is a quality of I, but I have a car. Car is not a quality of I. Means I is not equivalent to car. Car is an object, means direct object. Put here what? It is, we get answer car. Okay, this is the basic difference of object and complement. And one more part of a structure of a sentence, that is adjunct. Adjunct. Now what is adjunct? Adjunct is a part of a sentence. It contains more information that is not necessary to complete the sense of the sentence or meaning of the sentence. Like we gifted Ram a pen. It is a sentence because it gives a full sense. We gifted Ram a pen. We is subject, gifted verb, Ram indirect object, because whom and what, it is direct object. If I wrote in this sentence, we gifted Ram a pen on his birthday. On his birthday. So, on his birthday is not necessary to complete the meaning of a sentence. Here, on his birthday is adjunct. Okay? Adjunct. Let's see another example. I met him. It is a full sentence. It is a complete sentence also. If I am adding in a park. In a park. So, in a park is not necessary to complete the sense of this sentence. So, here in a park is adjunct. Yesterday she gave me a letter. Okay? She gave me a letter. This is a complete sentence. This is a complete sentence. But here, yesterday, it is not necessary to complete the sense yesterday is adjunct. So guys, this video will help you to get the information about the elements of the sentence and the structure of the sentence. I will post the PDF of this video along with this exercise. Thank you. Good luck.